Alright, we're here at the Fiji building at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort at Walt Disney World in Florida. And here we have the elevator. Unfortunately, it's been modernized. This used to be an Otis Series 1. The got mod by Otis with Series M2. So basically, this is a HydroAccel mod by Otis. And here's the elevator. Take up to 3. Here on 3. Back down to 1. Door close does not work on this elevator. We'll go up one more time to 3 and get a view real quick. Again, like I said, door close does not work. Here are 3. Here's a quick view from the 3rd floor of this building. Over there, that is the, let me zoom in on it. How do you pronounce that name? That's what this building is across from here. Got an outdoor staircase. Now let's go back down to 1 and end the video.